Monday's flag raising activity held on January 25, 2021 was hosted by the Provincial Environment and Natural Resources Office under the leadership of Engineer Prisco Valmoria, who narrated the office's accomplishment for last year. It was also on Monday that the newly elected officials of Purple People Night Market Vendors Association swore their oath of office to Attorney Jocelyn Lord Mateo at the provincial capital during the 41st virtual flag-raising ceremony. The 120-member association is made up of vendors from both the 1st and 2nd District of Cagayan de Oro City, advocating for a business-friendly environment for all small-scale vendors. The association's new officials, led by its newly elected president, Ms. Geneva Cabeltes, chose to swear their oath to the provincial governor because of their trust and confidence in the governor's brand of leadership, an example they would like to emulate as they lead their organization. In collaboration with the Department of Health, the Provincial Health Office conducted its first interlocal health zone orientation for COVID-19 in preparation for the vaccine deployment and vaccination program at El Salvador City Hall in El Salvador City. The municipalities of Opol, Alubihid, Laguindingan, Hitagom, Libertad, and Initaw, together with El Salvador City, comprise the first interlocal health zone of the province and are the municipalities catered for the first orientation. Attended by various frontline workers, the orientation seeks to correct false information circulating on different platforms regarding the COVID-19 vaccine and to inform frontline health workers of the priority groups identified to receive the vaccine as mandated by the National IATF. Being on top of the priority list for vaccination, nurses and doctors were the primary target for the orientation in the hopes of also setting an example to the public that being vaccinated poses little to no harm at all. Additionally, on Monday, on behalf of Governor Bambi Emano, Attorney Jocelyn Lord Mateo handed a certificate of recognition to Assistant Provincial Warden Mary Chris Mulat and to the Misamis Oriental Provincial Jail for being one of the 10 most outstanding provincial jail employees of the Philippines for the year 2020 and for bagging the award as one of the 10 most managed provincial jail in the Philippines for the same year respectively. The award was given on the 6th day of December during the 3rd founding anniversary of Provincial Jail Employees Association of the Philippines. The garnered award is a proof that with the leadership of Governor Bambi Emano, the Misamis Oriental Provincial Jail facility is outstanding in providing the programs and services needed by inmates as well as in preparing them for reintegration into society. On that same day, PDRRMO head Fernando Vincent D., board members Michele Anayron, Leonard Win Stanley, Wayne Militante, Eric Hu, Boboy Sabal, and Kerwin Jessol Divilla turned over a brand new unit of Bambi Cab to Barangay Captain Tomasito Gomez of Barangay Mambayaan, Balingasag. The Bambi Cab from Governor Bambi Emano will be used as an immediate mode of transportation for emergencies within the barangay level. The good governor continually provides Bambi Cabs to barangays all over the province as he seeks to eradicate the logistical difficulties experienced by the people as well as to hasten the delivery of basic services to all Misamisnons. On Monday afternoon, Governor Bambi Emano signed the appointment of another batch of deserving employees from the different offices of the provincial capital and Misamis Oriental Provincial Hospitals. Governor Bambi personally extended his felicitations to this batch of newly promoted employees, urging them to continue to do well for the advancement of themselves and for more improvement of the government service. He hoped that the job promotion will inspire enthusiasm among employees to work hard and serve the public better even in this time of pandemic. On Tuesday, January 26, 2021, as the esteemed guest of honor and speaker, Governor Bambi Emano took part in the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency Regional Office 10 Quarterly Awards for the 4th quarter of 2020 held at the Misamis Oriental Integrated Sports Complex. PIDEA holds the quarterly event to recognize agents, units, and provincial offices who have showed excellent performance in conduct of their duties and responsibilities, with PIDEA Misamis Oriental receiving the Best Provincial Office for Operations Award. In the event, in behalf of PIDEA Regional Director Emerson Rosales, PIDEA Acting Assistant Regional Director Benjamin Recites III gave his message of gratitude to Governor Bambi Emano for his relentless support to the agency, leading to its success in curbing the use and trade of illegal drugs in the province. Governor Bambi, delighted by the award received by PIDEA Misamis Oriental, vowed to give his full support in the implementation of the government's war on drugs, citing that his 8 pillars of governance and his flagship program of tourism requires a drug-free Misamis Oriental, a goal he seeks to achieve with the cooperation of all Misamisnons. Moreover, on Tuesday, Provincial IATF Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan eagerly informs the public of the completion and opening of the new emergency room complex of Misamis Oriental Provincial Hospital, Magsaysay. The opening of the new ER complex was accompanied by the handing over of a mobile X-ray machine from Governor Bambi Emano, enhanced the hospital's ability to effectively serve the public. The new MOPH facility is in line with Governor Bambi Emano's program to continue improving the medical services of all provincial hospitals for the benefit of all Misamisnons. The modern facility, amounting to 9,990,379.21, is expected to expand the capacity of the hospital to combat various diseases, along with the intensification of the program against COVID-19. Additionally, on Tuesday, Police General Benjamin Acorda Jr., the Deputy Regional Director for Administration of PNP Region 10, paid a courtesy visit to Governor Bambi Emano. The governor commended the Philippine National Police because they were able to efficiently execute all the additional roles it had to perform to keep Misamis Oriental safe, and was able to effectively rise above the challenges spawned by this national emergency. Because of this, Gov Bambi assured General Acorda that the province will continue to support PNP MISOR in everything they need in this time of pandemic, in particular facilitating in risk assessment, swab test, medicines, lending them with heavy equipments, among others. Moreover, on Tuesday, the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office, with orders from Governor Bambi Emano, turned over financial calamity assistance to 58 families affected by flooding at Looc Poblacion 1 and Poblacion 3 in the municipality of Villanueva. The flooding caused by Typhoon Quinta last year damaged properties and devastated agricultural assets in Misamis Oriental. Mr. Junlimar Abelia, PSWDO head, assured the affected families that Governor Bambi Emano is always ready to provide assistance to calamity-stricken Misamisnons as they bounce back from the disaster. And on Wednesday, January 27, 2021, the Provincial Tourism Office, led by its dashing head, Attorney Jeffrey Saclot, led the site visit and ocular inspection of the developing Misamis Oriental Tourism Complex and Botanical Garden located midway between Claveria and Hingoog. The area, traditionally known for being the crash site of Cebu Pacific Flight 387, is now being transformed to not only commemorate the fateful event 23 years ago, but also to become a leading tourist destination in Misamis Oriental. Being the only one of its kind in the province, the Misamis Oriental Tourism Complex and Botanical Garden, set to be inaugurated February 2, 2021, boasts of amenities and attractions previously available only from neighboring provinces. Attorney Jeffrey Saclot and Governor Bambi Emano envisions this landmark project to further propel Misamis Oriental into the revered annals of tourism, not only within the Philippines but to the whole world in the near future. Still on Wednesday, PAGRO is happy to announce that the first phase for the research and development of coconut water product already kicked off. This is the result of the Memorandum of Agreement signed between the Provincial Government of Misamis Oriental and the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines Northern Mindanao Food Innovation Center. The coconuts were sourced out from the Buhian Diversified Farm located in Initaw, Misamis Oriental. On Thursday, January 28, 2021, after the successful first phase of orientation on Monday, the Provincial Health Office in coordination with the Department of Health conducted the second phase of its Interlocal Health Zone Orientation for COVID-19 Vaccine Development and Vaccination Program at Balingasag's People's Palace Audio-Visual Room in Balingasag, Misamis Oriental. The municipalities of Balingasag, Lagonglong, Salay, Binuangan, Subbungkugon, and Kinugitan were the clients for the second phase of orientation. The said activity seeks to correct false information circulating on different platforms with regards to COVID-19 vaccine. Additionally, it also tackles various subjects such as vaccine deployment, supply and cold chain management, profiling and data management, and addressing the psychological barriers of vaccination. On that same day, Thursday, in behalf of Governor Bambi Emano, Board Member Eric Koo gave a message of gratitude to the Department of Trade and Industry for handing over an all-weather solar dryer, a coffee depulper, a coffee dehuller, a coffee roasting machine, a grinding machine, and fermentation boxes to People's Organization, kapunungan alang sa ugmang masanag ug haruhay nga linluntaran during the Shared Services Facilities Project turnover and ribbon-cutting ceremony in Barangay Lanise, Claveria, Misamis Oriental. The equipment given by DTI through the provincial government will bolster the livelihood of local farmers as it will enhance and strengthen their business, in effect generating more income for their families. Governor Bambi Emano, through Board Member Koo, conveyed his promise to the farmer beneficiaries that the province will always push for their interest, but ask for the equipment provided to be used correctly and carefully to further advance the agriculture sector.
Of Misamis Oriental with 95% performance rating. Local Chief Executive, Honorable GYVBE Emano. Peso Manager, GYVBE. Congratulations to our 2020 Regional Peso Awards.
On Friday, January 29, 2021, the Public Employment Services Office headed by Ms. GYVBE once again brought pride to Misamis Oriental after being awarded and honored by the Department of Labor and Employment Regional Office 10 during the 2020 Regional Peso Awards held on January 28, 2021. Peso Misamis Oriental received the award for the highest number of applicants registered and the most number of vacancies posted for calendar year 2020, a testament to its significant contributions to the development of job searching and employment acceleration programs within the province. Peso's programs include the implementation of 4 important programs, namely placement, provision of labor market information, career guidance and employment coaching, and livelihood and emergency employment program facilitation. Dole 10 Regional Director Albert Gutib also expressed his admiration and gratitude to Governor Bambi Emano for being an exemplary local chief executive and for his unwavering support to Peso's activities that transformed the lives of many Misamisnons. The award received by Peso Misamis Oriental is a definite proof that Governor Bambi Emano's brand of leadership transcends all sectors of the community. Moreover, on Friday, to determine the economic potentials of bamboo and its booming industry in the province, Provincial Agriculturist Jose Apollo Pacamalan and Committee on Agriculture Chairman Board Member Frederick Koo went to Valencia City, Bukidnon to visit a thriving bamboo processing plant in the area with an undeniable potential for bamboo, which grows casually all over Misamis Oriental. The Provincial Agriculture Office decided to secure 25,000 bamboo seedlings, which are set to be transported to the province in partnership with the Bamboo Ecological Corporation. set to be cultivated in watershed areas, hilly lands, and riverbanks, identified sites which are not intended for food production, bamboo will also provide invaluable contribution to avoid erosion, promote water sustainability, and carbon trading. This is another promising project brought by Governor Bambi Emano to be established in Misamis Oriental, a project that will surely provide employment and increase the income of our farmers through various livelihood activities. And for last week alone, 94 ROFs and 322 LSIs arrived safely in Misamis Oriental via airlines and sea vessel. So far, a total of 14,213 Misamisnons have showed up in Laguindingan Airport and Macabalan Port since the Balik Probinsya program of the government in May of 2020. COVID-19 is taking so much from us, but it's also giving us something special, an opportunity to come together as one humanity, to work, to learn, to grow together, and emerge stronger. Jinker PIO.